different song, different bass.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to get you to do in a moment is I'm going to hold this like so. I'm going to turn my back. You're not going to look. You're going to rifle through with your thumb like this. And at some point, stop anywhere you want. Only when you've decided to open it up. Sneak peek, close it. Your only job, memorize the name. That's it.
Cool.
You got it?
I got it. Yeah.
All right. I'm going to turn my back with the thumb and stop.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Got it?
Yep.
Alright, in fact, I'm going to get hold on to that. Okay, now, keep it close. Is there any way that I can know what that is?
I don't think so.
Oh, alright. So, inside your head, the poker face gives nothing away until I can give you my prediction. Poker face. Don't give your body language, don't make it easy, don't make it hard, stonewall me.
Okay.
Imagine the name is written between us, there's like a drive-through cinema screen.
Okay.
40 feet high by 40 feet high. See it written there. Now say the name of the song in your head. In your head. Not out loud, nothing out loud. Say it louder and louder. Turn up the volume, like to an 11. Are you right or left handed?
Right hand.
Alright, let me take that hand. Put your hand up like so. Alright. I'm just going to say some letters. Don't tell me what it is.
Okay.
A. First letter is A. First letter is B. First letter is C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. I. First letter is I. Give nothing away. Poker face, first letter is I. Do you know this song? You can answer that. You don't know, okay. Oh, it's a name. It's a name. Don't give anything away. It's a name. Is it a boy's name? You can put that down. Is it a boy's name? Is it a girl's? It's a girl's name. It begins with I. A girl's name that begins with I. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 letters. Girl's name begins with I. Last letter. Give nothing away. Poker face. Last letter. S. Last letter is I. Last letter is F. First letter is I. Girl's name. 4 letters. 1997 Goo Goo Dolls Iris.
That was pretty good.
Right?
Wow, yeah, you got it.
Right?
Yeah. That's amazing.